Hello everyone, I am Sankuri Harindra Narasimha of class 10th A from Montfort School, Hyderabad. This is my social project on the topic Indian art and culture. Indian art and culture. India has always been known as the land that portrayed culture and traditional vibrancy through its conventional art and crafts. Indian culture. Culture plays an important role in the development of any nation. Religious culture. India is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and other religions. These are the major religions followed in India. Family structure and marriage. For generations, India has a prevailing traditions of joint family system. Festivals. Popular religious festivals include Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara, Holi, Eid, Christmas, etc. Harvest festivals include Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi, etc. Cuisine. Indian food is as diverse as India. Here are the non-vegetarian items. Here are the vegetarian items. And here comes the sweet items. Clothing. These are the traditional Indian clothing. Language and literature. The major epics of India are Mahabharata and Ramayana. Indian art. Indian art consists of variety of art forms including painting, sculpture and textile arts. Performing arts. Performing arts may include dance, music, opera theatre, etc. Music. Two main schools of classical music are Hindustani and Carnatic. Great musicians and singers like Lata Mangeshkar and Bismillah Khan. Dance. Dance forms of India like Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi and Odissi. Theatre. Theatre in India is as old as music and dance. This is puppet theatre. Visual arts. The visual arts, the art forms such as painting, drawing, sculpture and many more. Folk and tribal arts. Every region in India has its own style and pattern of art known as folk art like Madhubani, Pattachitra, Nirmal paintings, etc. Handicrafts. Handicrafts are the creative products made by the skill of hand without the help of the modern machinery and equipments. Painting. Cave painting from Ajanta, Ellora and temple paintings show the love towards nature. Sculpture. The first sculpture in India date back to the Indus Valley civilization. Some used shrines such as one at Ellora, one not constructed by using blocks but carved out of the solid rock. Architecture. Indian architecture encompasses a multitude of expressions over space and time, constantly absorbing new ideas. Architectures of India are Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, Qutub Minar, Howrah Bridge, Birla Mandir, Sanchi Stupa, etc. Thank you.